Hello friends, let's continue our series. For the lecture number 11, we will be learning about data preprocessing using Pandas. Let's begin. So first, we have the loading and exploring data. In this, we use pandas.read.csw pandas.read_csw to load the data into the mainframe. Alright. Once we do that, we can run the following commands to inspect. We can use the .head function to view first few rows. Alright. We can use .info to view the column types and non-null counts. Right. To check the number of columns and to check the number of boxes or data frames that are not empty, that contain a value, that hold a value. We can use the .describe. It returns basic statistics like mean, standard, minimum, maximum operations. This also helps in spotting the missing values, data types and basic patterns. Then we have handling missing and dirty data. So for the missing values, we check with .isNull .sum. Right? We use the isNull and .sum function together in order to check for the missing values, and then we remove rows using df.drop_na. Right? Once we enter the command, the rows will be removed, and then we will be filling those with values by using df.fill_na bracket value, or use strategies like mean or median. Next, we have for the duplicates, we will remove the duplicates with df.drop_duplicates. Right? So that's the code or the command that you are going to be using when you would like to remove the duplicates. And then we have data type conversion, for example integer to float to string, etc. So for this we will write df and then we'll open the square bracket, then we'll enter col in single quotes. Right? That's equal to df square brackets col in single quotes dot as type int, float or string, whichever would be like. Finally, we have encoding and scaling, which is the basic preprocessing. In this, categorical to numeric conversion or encoding is done. So for this, we have the categorical to numeric one hot encoding. Right? For this, we have pd.get_dummies bracket df. Right? Use the preprocessing using this command. Then we have the label encoding for simple categories, and finally we have the feature scaling, which we can mention briefly. It uses sklearn.preprocessing tools like standard scalar, which is covered deeper in the series or the course later. And then we prepare data for ML models by ensuring it's clean, numeric and consistent. So we basically are supposed to create machine learning models, and we need to make sure it is clean, it is numeric, it is giving us consistent results. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you were able to understand, and thank you for watching.